Good evening po sa inyo lahat ng po ang SB19. Thank you for having us here. Muli ako si Pablo.
Nag-ibigay ko na ako si Ken.
I'm Justin. Hi everyone, my name is Del. And I'm Josh.
Now guys, if you didn't know, actually sasayaw tayo today. Yes! Hindi ka alam? Pwede naman, di ba? No, I'm just joking. But really, this is your third year with Shami. This is your third year collaborating with Shami. How does that feel for you guys?
Of course, napakagandang start ng year kasi January pa lang, we are here with you guys, of course, with our Xiaomi family. And sino ba naman ang hindi magiging masaya having, being part of this big name sa industry na to. And of course, same kasi ng goal si SB19 and si Xiaomi. So we're very happy to be part of this big family. And of course, 3 years naman sa kanila, maraming salamat po sa tiwala and hanggang ngayon magkasama po ulit tayo. So we're very happy and honored and blessed to be here today.
Actually, ramdam din po namin yung growth with Xiaomi kasi nag-start po kami sa Redmi Note 13 and naman dito na tayo sa 15. So talagang titik po talaga ng growth.
So, narinig niyo yan, every year umaangat sila. Same goals kasi, di ba? But each year is indeed special. This time, it's Titan Tough. As Titans in the industry, what does Titan Tough truly mean for you?
Title Tough po kasi parang same po sa amin yung journey namin nung nag-start kami as an artist. Talagang hindi madala yung struggles namin, yung pinagdaanan namin. But still, nag-stay kami as a matibay na tao as an artist, And ganoon din po sa Xiaomi. Kahit siguro yung palibag ko dyan, hindi mabawasan. Title Tough.
Pero po sa hindi mga nakakaalam, 7 years na po yung grupo namin. Tagal na po namin magkakasama, pero 10 taon na po kami magkakasama. And now, we have established our own company that's called Bonzi Entertainment. So, katulad ng Xiaomi, Redmi Note 15, Titan Tough na SB19. Ilang taon na po daan.
Well, narinig niyo yun, matibay. No doubt that Redmi Note 15 series is Titan Tough. I experienced this yesterday, this morning. I'm sure you guys all experienced it too. Now, I'm sure you guys have experienced that as well. I think you guys are going to share photos with us. And why are your favorite photos, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
First photo.
Ito pong photo, aking photo. Nakita lang po ako sa cat kasi kamukha niya po yung pusa ko na si Nikita. So, ang ganda po ng composition niya. Ito pong photo na to, medyo madilim na, parang sunset na. But as you can see, the detail, may clarity pa rin yung photo. So, yan, may shift. Tapos yung cat parang, para sa akin parang lion siya eh. Ganun yung feeling niya, binibigay na vibe ng cat. So, it's a nice photo. Yeah.
Napaka-sentimental naman na, guys. Let's see the next photo.
Wow! Another animal.
Okay.
Ako yan.
That's talaga kayo, no?
That's my selfie. Grabe yung nagagawa ng Xiaomi, no? You can transform. Ito po, kasi kanina kumakain ako, tapos nakita lang ako sa dog na yan. Pero, ang ano dito, ang catch dito, sobrang layo ng dog na yan. Sobrang layo niya from my table. So, kinuha ko yung opportunity to use yung feature ng Redmi, which is the 200 megapixel camera. So kahit napakalayo niya, zinong ko, and then surprisingly, ang ganda pa rin ang quality ng photo.
Ganda ng selfie mo, di ba?
Selfie ko to.
Selfie mo yun, di ba?
Yeah. So yeah, super cute ng moment na yan, and sana sa may-ari po nung aso, sana okay lang po na picture ng dog niyo.
Okay, can we see the next photo? Come on, guys.
Yan ako po, sa akin po. Although may ako sa black, sobrang gusto ko po yung photo ito. And yung pagka-vibrant ng colors and yung brightness. And then what I love about this is like, gaya na sabi ni Steph, kahit i-zoom mo siya, kitang-kita ko pa rin yung pagiging crisp ng photo. So,
Ganda naman ng colors, guys. Do you see how bright these colors are? Okay, next photo.
Oh, this one's, I took this photo. Kasi huge foodie ako. And outdoor siya, so kanina, while we were having our lunch, parang sabi ko, nasa labas kami, gusto ko mag-try lang ng photo. And then, surprisingly, mukha lang balance ito, pero sobrang liwanag ito kanina. Yung sun, directly dun sa screen ko. But yung AMOLED na quality ng screen, nakikita ko pa rin yung pinipicture ko even though parang pag sa ibang perspective, di ba? Or sa ibang cellphone, mahirap na siya makita. But this one, I took it with actually very detailed and hindi ako nahirapan mag-adjust dahil sa AMOLED feature na Redmi Note 15.
Nagutom ba kayo, guys? Parang nagutom ako eh. Okay, last photo.
Dito naman po, nung pinicturean ko po siya, pinaglaruan ko yung parang telephoto effect ng Redmi na nag-blur yung sa likod. So nakakatawa kasi nagkakaroon siya ng parang focus sa harap, tapos medyo blur yung effect. Tapos nakakatawa din po na parang even though medyo dun sa moment po na medyo padilim na siya paggabi na. So medyo nag-clear pa rin yung photo, nag-bright pa rin siya. So hindi siya lumako. So ayun po yung na-enjoy ko with take this photo.
Grabe, iba-iba yung mga vibes nila, no? You know what? This is truly tight and tough indeed. And this next segment is gonna prove that true. No, we will not be dancing. But you guys are gonna want to whip up your phones for this. Please refrain from waving your phones so that our live streamers can see it. But get ready, guys, because this is the Titan Crackdown. We will be giving away Redmi Note 15 phones signed by your favorite SB19 numbers to 5 lucky winners. Okay. Guys, so now about a week ago, we posted an announcement on the official Xiaomi Facebook page. Valid entries were gathered, and now they're all inside the Titan shells. Now here's the catch. To choose our lucky winners, wait lang, we will draw one coconut shell, guys, and we will crack it using the Redmi Note 15. Oh, diba? Ready na ba kayo? Yes? Okay, now each coconut shell contains printed comments. Kaya naman, watch out ang mga alien. Kasi your favorite SB19 member could read out your comment, okay? And that will earn you a signed Redmi Note 15. To our viewers, are you ready? Guys, are you ready? Handa na ba kayo? Tara, let's go!
Wow.
Pero you guys can choose one.
Titan Tough Pod.
Titan Tough nga talaga. Nakita niyo guys? Did you guys get that on video? Yes. Okay. You guys can pick one each and then read it out loud.
From Dida Garcia to SB19, I'm excited to join this giveaway and hopefully win an SB19 signed phone. Fingers crossed. I think kanina show Philippines, I want to use this phone. Sana sa wakas sa mga concert para mag-give up ko mga memories ko. Papalala nila ako kasi secure ng ticket. So may mahalin ako to see you soon again. Yun.
So guys, can you get that ticket, please?
That's all.
Okay. Here.
From Gen 5. I'm an avid Xiaomi user and excited to see what the Redmi Note 15 series
Ko get some hype sa inyo, SB19. Pero ang hirap nyo palang hindi mahalin kapag nakita mo na ang talent at determinasyon nyo. Dadagdagan pa ng kulitin nyo at pagiging humble nyo. Your stories as an individual and as a group are truly inspiring. Nakain ko lahat ng sinabi ko noon at ngayon. I can say na full-time 18 na ako simula ng pagdadag era. Proud of you, Pablo, Jostel, Ken, Justin. Keep soaring. P.S. Sana makapunta ako sa homecoming concert nyo sa April 18. Sana dumating na rin yung LSD Plus at Bonzi Shopping natin. P.S. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro user here. Baka ito na ang sign for a phone upgrade.
Upgrade from Peter Pan. Okay.
Oh, from Dasher to. Deserve mo ang bagong phone. Okay, from Christine Joy and Amarga. To my kuya sa SB19, I hope you stay humble and kind. And as an 18, I will always support you until the end. Also, you're one of my inspiration to achieve my goals in life. Thank you, Xiaomi Philippines, for giving me this opportunity to give a message to SB19. Congratulations, Christine.
Congratulations. Okay.
And last but not least, from Casey Mercado Rosalan. Hello SB19, noong 2024, wish ko na makita kayo at maka-hi hello in person. Natupad yun dahil kay Ninang Xiaomi Philippines. SLFT po, ngayon 2026, ang wish ko, mas klaro at Titan Tough na pang picture pag nakita tayo ulit. Hashtag Redmi Note 15 series.
Alright! Okay, let me just
take these papers from you guys para mabigay nila. Ibigay nila. Thank you so much for passing your papers. Nasa lahat kayo pasado sa exam.
Thank you po.
Sure, diba? So, let's take our photos. The country manager, Mr. Wei Lee, and the marketing manager, Miss Allison.